This is Podeloto GH and I'm coming your way with Friday Bonanza. Friday Bonanza. So today we are doing a transfer from National to Friday. Let us start. Okay, so from National 2021, you see a lapping. 4 numbers lapping. 77, 40, 87, and 61. Okay, so these are the keys supporting the lapping. 44, 16, and 56. Okay, so when you come to the current 2, you see the lapping 70 from event 777. You see the lapping 77, 40, 87, and 61. You see 44 here. This 61 will counter to 16, and it will be supported with 57. Okay, so this is not a counting wheel. It's not a counting wheels game, but a key game. So let's all take our time and let's understand this second time movement. Okay, so from the National, so this 16, we wait till this 16 falls at machine. So when you count to event 30, 20, 36, you see this 16 at machine. When it falls on its line at winning, you see an ending 4 at last position. This number must go from 78 to give us 54. Okay, so when we count to the current 2, you see 16 at machine, and on its line at winning, you will see an ending 4. This ending 4 from 78 is single 4. Okay, so from the National, after the addition 78, it tells you that a group 3 number will have to counterpart. When you count to the current 2, you see a group 3 number, that is 12. It needs to counterpart. Okay, so after the counterpart, you realize that the packing, we have 40 and 87 in the packing. This 61 counted, or it turned to 16. So when the 16 falls and all these settings are done, you go and stick your 87, 40 from the packing. So today, when we come to current 2, is the same packing. After all this setup, we are taking 87, 40. 87, 40. Okay. Also, let's also see these settings. You realize that 16 also came here. And after the 16, you realize we had 3 direct. 37, 48, and 57. When you come to the current, you realize that yes, after the 16 came here, we had our 3 numbers 48, 57, and 37. Okay, so if so, from these settings, when the 16 and these 3 numbers came, this 77 on top of the lapping became our banker 1 to 90, and it repeated 3 times. So you realize that a number went under the 16. That number needs to come and join the 77 as too sure. Okay, so if 77 is our banker, let's do the check here also. You realize that after 16 we had our 3 numbers 48, 57, and a number went under the 16, and that number was what? 61. It means this 61 needs to move and play with the double 7, like the National did with the 78. So if it has to play with the double 7, then it means we have what? 87, 40, and then we have double 7, 61. So it's either the game plays this one or it plays the 87, 40. So now you realize that we have 4 numbers, and the 4 numbers are exactly the 4 packing we started the plan with. So from these first settings, you realize it played 77 from the packing, and from this second settings, it played 87, 40 from the packing, meaning 3 numbers played from this packing. So therefore, today we are taking the packing, that is 87, 40, 77, and 61. We'll pen and we write two shows from how we want to write the two shows from. Okay. From there, this is a very quick confirmation to confirm. You realize that when you come to national event 2270, you see single 6 and single 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, you see 21. When you come here to currently, you see single 6 and single 9. 4 weeks, you see our 21. Okay, so from the 21, you see 1, 2, 3, 74. Before then, you see 56 at machine. Then 1248. So here too, when you come here after the 21, you see our 56. And then you see our 74, 12, and 48. So after the 12 and 48, you realize we have 87 and 77 on the event, confirming two numbers from our packet, and 77 repeated. So this event is telling you that 87 and 77 is good to play from our parking. 77 is 1 to billion. It counted. So this is a quick confirmation of today's plan. So realize that we saw this and this. So today 37 is a 1 to billion game. You perm the event, 4 numbers. You stay in the 2 show the way you want to stake it. And let's hope for a good result. This is Podel Lotto GH. Thank you very much.